The crypto market had a roller coaster year in 2021, with extreme highs and lows, but overall growth. The 3 Comma Club in the crypto industry is growing in size as the market expands. There are now a record 19 billionaires in 2022, 7 more than last year. Revealed Bitcoin News Today. Full list of new crypto billionaires emerging 2022. Forbes magazine ranked Changpeng Zhao, CEO and creator of crypto exchange Binance, as the world's richest person crypto billionaire in 2022, with a staggering net worth of $65 billion. Coinbase's CEO and co-founder, Brian Armstrong, is worth $6.6 billion, and FTX's founder, Sam Bankman-Fried, is worth $24 billion. These 3 individuals are the wealthiest crypto billionaires on the list. There are more to introduce with new additions like Alchemy and OpenSea co-founders. So let's get started immediately. Number 5. Gary Wang. First on our list is Gary Wang, with a net worth of $5.9 billion. His source of wealth is FTX. Gary Wang started the Mediaverse company FTX and now serves as its CTO. In 2019, Wang and Bankman-Fried opened their crypto trading platform. Wang has over $600 million worth of FTX's native token, FTT, and a 16.1% stake in the company's global operations. Wang worked as a software engineer at Google, where he contributed to the development of Google Flights before leaving to pursue a career in cryptography. At MIT, he concentrated on both mathematics and computer science. Together with his partner Sam Bankman-Fried, Wang changed the cryptocurrency exchange game with FTX. Kane Warwick stated, "But I think many projects and DeFi players learned a lot from how Alameda, FTX, and SBF himself came in and went after every last cent." Number 4. Nikhil Viswanathan and Joseph Lau. Next, we have Nikhil Viswanathan and Joseph Lau, each worth $2.4 billion. They co-founded the blockchain decacorn Alchemy while working as TAs for a computer science class at Stanford University in 2011. Viswanathan and Lau became fast friends and have since collaborated on more than 10 successful products. Down to Lunch, their first successful app topped the Apple App Store's social networking charts for a day in April 2016. After learning about crypto, the two co-founded Alchemy in 2017 to serve as a resource for blockchain business owners and programmers. OpenSea, a formidable NFT, and decentralized exchange Kyber are just 2 examples of applications that have benefited from Alchemy's prominence as a development platform for Web3 apps. After being valued at $3.5 billion in a funding round just 4 months prior, the company raised $200 million at a valuation of $10.2 billion in February. Nikhil and Joseph are not the only American co-founders to join the ranks of crypto billionaires in 2022. Keep reading to find out which companies' co-founders made the cut this year. If you are interested in videos about similar content, subscribe to this channel to get regular updates whenever we drop a video. Number 3. Song Chi-hyun. Also, new to the list is Song Chi-hyun, who has a net worth of $3.7 billion. Ubit, the leading crypto exchange in South Korea, was founded by Song Chi-hyun, a South Korean national profiting from the country's booming $46 billion crypto market. Dunamu, Ubit's parent company, was valued at $17 billion in November of last year when HYBE, the agency behind K-pop sensation BTS, purchased a 2.5% stake. Song Chi-hyun is estimated to own about a quarter of Dunamu. Song Chi-hyun was not the only South Korean making the list, as his partner and co-founder of Upit, Kim Hyung-neon, also entered the Crypto Billionaire Club. We'll go into detail about Kim Hyung-neon's current wealth and its source very soon, so stay tuned and don't miss out. Number 2. Devin Finzer and Alex Atala. Moving on, this year also saw the addition of Devin Finzer and Alex Atala as co-founders to the Crypto Billionaire roster. They are owners of OpenSea, each with a net worth of $2.2 billion. OpenSea is a decentralized exchange for making and trading non-fungible tokens. In 2018, the duo submitted their plan to pay people in crypto to share their Wi-Fi hotspots with the Y Combinator Accelerator program. Once they learned about CryptoKitties, the Ethereum-based collectibles that attracted a cult-like following, they shifted their focus to the concept of a marketplace for new NFTs, which saw explosive growth in the previous year. If you're wondering what an NFT is, well, to keep it simple, it is a non-fungible token, NFT, a blockchain entry that represents a claim on a specific digital or physical asset. Because of the immutability and transferability provided by the blockchain, NFTs can be bought, sold, and traded freely. In January, OpenSea raised capital at a valuation of $13.3 billion, up from $1.5 billion 6 months earlier. It is estimated that Finzer and Atala each own 18.5% of the business. Number 1. Young Kim. Again, another Korean who made the Crypto Billion list in 2022 is Kim Yeon. His wealth is estimated at $1.9 billion, and his fortune stems from Upbit. Kim Yeon is the vice president of South Korean company Dunamu, which he co-founded a decade ago with fellow crypto billionaire Song Chi-young. He is estimated to own 13% of Dunamu. Focused on asset management and investment, Dunamu operates Upbit, the crypto asset exchange with world-class blockchain technology, regulatory expertise, and operational know-how. It's nice to see the Crypto Billionaire Club extend to South Korea. Give a thumbs up to this video if you agree. There are now 19 known crypto billionaires, along with Gary Wang, Sam Bankman-Fried, and Brian Armstrong. Mentioned earlier in this video, we have Chris Larsen, co-founder and executive chairman of Ripple. His fortune is estimated to be $4.3 billion. Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, the famous twins best known for their $65 million settlement with Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg. They took their $65.0 million settlement and invested it in Bitcoin and made a killing. There is a total of $8 billion between the two of them, each owning $4 billion. Barry Silbert, founder of Digital Currency Group. His wealth is estimated at $3.2 billion. Jed McCaleb, who in 2012 co-founded Ripple Labs and the XRP cryptocurrency and became very wealthy as a result. It is estimated that he is worth $2.5 billion. Coinbase's CEO and co-founder, Fred Ursum. He is worth $2.1 billion. Michael Saylor, owner of MicroStrategy and a billionaire from the era of dot-coms. He is worth $1.6 billion in total. Crypto investor Matthew Rozek. His wealth is estimated to be $1.4 billion. Tim Draper, an early investor in Bitcoin and other cryptos, and a venture capitalist. He possesses a total of $1.2 billion. Because of the newfound transparency in the crypto market, its current valuation of $2 trillion is only the beginning. Without a doubt, there will be more crypto billionaire newcomers coming in together with new projects to expand the market. Still, the question is how many more will join. If you want to know about new project with potential, we got one for you. Our next video features Best Cardano Dex's project with huge potential 2022. Thanks for watching.